Hey guys, so I decided that this is gonna be like second part of the Shopee under 1,000. So this time we would be doing a review also of the clothes that when yung feeling kapag suot niya na siya. Since wala nga tayong nakuhang accessories or anything, I decided to put this, yung earrings ko na lang. And ito lang yung gagamitin ko na flip-flop because I feel like mabibili din to sa Shopee. Sure ako mabibili din to sa Shopee. So, ayun. Kaya, ito na lang. Ito muna. Actually, I kind of like it because di ko in-expect na magugustuhan ko siya. Kasi in the first place, I did not think that it would actually fit me. But here you go. First outfit. I actually paired it with the shorts. Ito siya. Again. Sorry, mag-isa lang kasi ko. Kaya hindi ko alam kung ito siya. Yan. Diba? So, okay naman siya. It fits me, but since my thighs are really big, thick tayo, mga friendships, kaya medyo mahirap siyang isuot. So, parang nagbumabakat siya dito, but it's really good. It's okay. So, this is the first outfit na naisip kong pag-termhin. Tada! Yan. So, ito yung isang binili ni Neil sa akin, which is I'm currently wearing. And, so, since na-realize ko kasi, limited lang yung top na binigay niya, napadami yung bili niya ng pants or bottoms. So, ito yung isa. Ayan, makita niyo sa side yung but it actually feels like, sobrang nipis niya. And since it really hugs my thighs nga, medyo fit siya, but it's very loose kapag kasi pinaka-end. So yeah, ganun yung feels niya. And ito talaga, since sobrang nagustuhan ko tong top, so most likely baka bumili pa ako kung sakali kasi nagustuhan ko talaga siya. And I really like the color. Ayan guys, so ganun nga. Diba sabi ko nung una, akala ko baka maluwag siya sa akin. But it actually fits me just right. And I like the color. I mean, yellow is not for everyone. But this is mustard, so it kind of compliments me. Or baka talaga yung buhok ko talaga yung nagdadala. Kaya sobrang init. Pero yeah, this is how it looks like. Bet ko din yung ganito niya dito. And actually, for the pants naman, it actually feels okay. But it's something, since I don't really like wearing leggings yung mga ganito, but this is something that I would wear kapag probably out of the country kasi malamig doon and sobrang init sa Philippines. But I could actually wear this kapag siguro we're going to a fancy date or something, maybe BGC, restos. Most likely, I'd wear this. Yeah, I like it. Kaso lang, medyo masikip na onta sa kasi nakipot ko, pero okay naman. Yeah, I like it. So, another style, this, actually wearing the pants, this top, it actually gives off like, yung work from office, but medyo nako-conscious kasi ako sa arms ko, guys. So, I don't know, maybe sometime, baka isusuot ko talaga siya, pero right now, hindi pa. So, kailangan ko muna i-work out ang aking arms. But yeah, this is how I would wear this together. And sa isa pang shorts, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. But yep, so far I feel like this gives off like work vibes, going to work vibes pala. So yeah. Since I changed the shorts, obviously this is for a more casual look. Yung tipo, pagka grocery or like pag tinatamad ka, tapos you have to buy something sa labas, ito. Kasi nga, medyo, the shorts gives off like a pambahay look. Kaya yun. So, parang mabilisang larga. So, yun. Very summer type clothes. Yes, summer vibes, guys. I actually thought that ito yung mag-fit sa akin, but it's not. I don't like how it looks like on me. Because mostly, kitang bloated ako. Hindi lang ako humihinga. But yeah. And I don't like the leggings, obviously. From the start, I just don't like it. But I'm wearing it right now for you guys to see. But this would something that pwede siyang pantulog. Pantulog siya for me. Or like when you're super lazy na pambahay. But yeah, guys. Kayo na lang bahalang mag-judge kung anong itsura sa akin. What do you guys think? As for the leggings, I would definitely, as for this one, I would definitely wear this, I would definitely wear this if I'm going to, like, kapag magte-travel, usually sa airport or ano. And I like it because at some point, it gives off the mukhang mahaba ang legs look. But yeah. But naisip ko lang siya i-pair sa top na to because I really don't know kung kanino ko siya dapat i-pair. But ito lang yung nakikita ko. So, siguro pag confident ako mag-crop top, kasi like legit na crop top, I'd wear them together. But I don't like it because it's already dark. Yung top is dark than yung leggings. So, let's see. Yung dress, kaisa-isang dress na binili ni Neil. I don't know why he got me this. But most likely, I'd wear this if probably when I go to Thailand. But yeah, since, I mean like, feeling ko grade school pa ako, huli ako nagsuot ng ganito. Pero press ko siya, so pwede siguro siyang pambahay. I don't know, because I don't really go out naka-sleeveless. But let's see. Actually guys, so lahat ng binili niyo for me, ito yung may pinaka-high hopes ako. But actually, since yun nga, laging problem sa thighs, sa hips ko, I don't know, siguro kailangan ko pang pumayat. But overall, I like what he got me. Turns out, nagustuhan ko naman except for some of the shorts talaga na parang, I mean, I think I like it individually, but when it comes to styling it, it's something that some of them won't really go well with each other, but I really tried my best to do so. So anyway, yun guys, yun yung masabi ko when it comes to mix and matching the things that he got for me. So yeah, ano naman, A+ for the effort, and I really had fun on trying to think which one should fit with it. I mean, like, sino yung mag-go well together. But yeah, so yun, I did not expect actually to make this in a 2-part video, like yung just him, like the haul video itself, and putting the outfits together para hindi din masyadong mahaba. But anyway guys, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell for new updates. Thank you guys for watching.